If a man talks bad about all women, it usually means he was burned by one woman. A woman does not become interesting until she is over 40. Success is often achieved by those who don't know that failure is inevitable. Luxury lies not in the richness of things, but in the absence of vulgarity. We are born with only one face, but laughing or crying, wisely or unwisely. Eventually we form our own. Women need to be beautiful to be loved by men, and stupid enough to love them. My reason for choosing diamonds is that, dense as they are, they represent the greatest worth in the smallest volume. A young lady ought to be two things: tasteful and breathtaking. A woman in love is helpless. A woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. A young lady ought to be two things: tasteful and breathtaking. A woman is closest to being naked when she is well dressed. There are many more attempts to define happiness than unhappiness. It is because people know all too well what unhappiness is. Good manners on a man are like wearing an exquisite suit. They never go out of style. A woman who cuts her hair is about to change her life. Happiness is the secret of beauty. But who knows the secret of happiness? The wise woman keeps her cosmetics at hand. Women have always been the strong ones of the world. The men are always seeking from women a little pillow to put their heads down on. They are always longing for the mother who held them as infants. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. All men are children, and if you understand that, a woman understands everything. God knows I wanted love. But the moment I had to choose between the man I loved and my dresses, I chose the dresses. One should not seek happiness, but rather happy people. If a woman is poorly dressed, you notice her dress. If a woman is impeccably dressed, you notice the woman. Fashion has two purposes: comfort and love. Beauty comes when fashion succeeds. There is nothing worse than solitude. Solitude can help a man realize himself, but it destroys a woman. A woman can be overdressed but never over-elegant. The problem of aging is the problem of living. There is no simple solution. A beautiful dress may look beautiful on a hanger, but that means nothing. It must be seen on the shoulders, with the movement of the arms, the legs, and the waist. I don't know why women want any of the things men have when one the things that women have as men. Costume jewelry is not made to give women an aura of wealth, but to make them beautiful. There goes a woman who knows all the things that can be taught and none of the things that cannot be taught. Winston Churchill is a dandy and a visionary. Unfortunately, in winning wars, principles are inevitably debased. That's politics. Which quotes like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Stay tuned for our next video tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.